Namaste. I'm excited to share with you today a seated sun salutation flow. This is a flow based on the traditional sun salutation A with a slight variation. So to begin, come to a comfortable seat. We'll get grounded and then move through the practice. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release. Inhale, squeeze the front of your belly in and up as you lift your hands to the sky. Taking your hands only as high as that feels good to you. Inhale here. Exhale, bend your elbows. Pausing here, feeling your belly, your lower ribs tuck in and up, keeping your chest open. Inhale. Exhale, forearms and palms together. Inhale, lean back. And exhale, either bring your hands to heart center, staying here, or join me by hinging your hips, leaning forward over your thighs, bringing your hands down to the earth, tucking your chin, and forward fold. Breathing into your back here, taking about 3 breaths here. Inhale, squeeze your belly in and up, unfurling your hands to the sky. Grab your right wrist with your left hand, lift up. Inhale, exhale, side bend. Inhale, center, switch sides, exhale. Inhale, center, hands to heart center. That is your sun salutation A practice with the support of the chair. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Be well.